At Burleigh Appliances, we specialise in repairs and servicing for kitchen and laundry appliances, which includes dishwashers, ovens, hot plates, stoves, range hoods, microwaves, washing machines and clothes dryers, covering all of the Gold Coast region of Queensland. As a new service, we can supply and install new appliances, or if you already have your new appliance, we'll install it for you. With a fully qualified, licensed and insured staff, we can guarantee you personal, professional customer service. If you want your installation or appliance repairs handled properly, don't wait any longer. Contact us now at burleighappliances.com.